What's up, guys? It's Mr. DS18, and today we're taking things outside. That's right, thinking out of the box. Why? Because we have the new JL-TWs, and behind me I have a 2022 Jeep Wrangler, which we're gonna install these bad boys so you guys can check them out. But first, let me go into some details. This is a new tweeter designed specifically for the Jeep Wranglers and the Gladiators from 2018 to current year. We're gonna open it up so you guys can see what's inside, how they look like. Then we're gonna go over there. I got my tools in my pocket. We're gonna install it. And you guys are gonna have the opportunity to hear the difference between the OEM and the DS18. So let's open up and see what we got. Check them out. Here we are. Bring it out of the bag. Check that out, check that out, check that out. That's the JL-TW. 1-inch tweeter, plug and play for the dash or the sound bars in your Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator. Pretty neat, huh? It comes with this nice plug and play harness, or you can use the factory harness just in case your connectors may be different. In this case, I'm pretty sure this is the same. So let's walk with me and let's do this install. All right, guys, so here we are. We're inside the Jeep. I got the right tools, the proper tools. This is so easy that I'm gonna actually install this. So you guys can do this at home. So first we're gonna check out the tweeter, have it ready. Then we're gonna pop out these plastic trims. You guys can see we have the OEM speaker down there, and we're gonna replace it with this guy. So now I'm gonna grab my little ratchet and I'm gonna start unloosing. We got one bolt, and then we got the second bolt. Now we're gonna bring the speaker out. You guys can see it has a connector in the back. We're gonna pop it off. There we go. All right, so I want to show you guys. We have like a 2.5-inch speaker with this trim on the side versus the DS18 tweeter with the actual trim. Pretty cool, huh? And on the back, we can see that the DS18 comes with a connector just in case you guys want to hot wire it. But in this case, it is the same connector. So it's an easy process. Now I'm going to take the tweeter over here. You see? And it fits just like the glove. We put both screws back in. We grab our little mini ratchet and we start bolting down. And we start bolting down both sides. And we are done. That's driver's side, which is a little bit more uncomfortable because of the steering. But it didn't take me less than 3 minutes to take out and swap out. Now I'm gonna pop out the other side so you guys can see. We're gonna do DS18 versus OEM so you guys can compare on your end. So I'm gonna grab my tools and there we go. You guys can see we still have the OEM inside. Okay, so we got audio, Bluetooth streaming, OEM radio, regular song.
This is the frontman speaking. Preparations for the first game are complete. We can begin now.
Let's see what this is about. DS18. You can hear the tweeter doing its job. Now we're gonna go the right side.
Green light. Red light.
Look at the right side, all muffled up.
Green light.
Versus
Red light. Player 324 eliminated. Green light.
you can easily check out the difference between the tweeter and the speaker. Some may say that the speaker's louder, but the tweeter's crispier. It gives it that whole gap that's missing between that speaker that goes there and the knee speakers. my soundbar speakers are completely turned off. And this tweeter actually fits in the soundbar, but that's in another video. For now, I wanted to show you guys how easy it was to replace the dash tweeter speaker with the DS18 JL-TW. It's easy plug and play. You can do this at home. It's loud. It automatically changed the whole sound system. I'm going to finish up putting the other one. You guys stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.